Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to create a floor plan in Revit. So let's go in week 3. So today we will work with floor plan creation project. So before we understand what to do in the project, I want you to go and check if you have a US Imperial Library on your personal computer. If not, click on this link and follow this guide to download Revit library on your personal computer and then come back to the project. Okay, so let's talk about what we need to work on this project. So this is your project handout. We will follow this layout to work and complete your project. Okay, this dimensions are just for reference that you will need to draw the walls and windows on exact location, but you don't have to add dimension in your final floor plan. Okay, and this is just an example. So you don't have to follow the way it has given the example floor plan creation project, but you will follow the deliverables to exact. It has everything given in your deliverables. Okay. So now let's open the deliverables. So project deliverables is here. I have open on my computer here. So what is floor plan creation project? It is for 25 points. So it is a very good amount of points you need to work on. So make sure you watch this video to complete this project. To understand the Revit interface and process of creating floor plan with the wall, doors, windows, and furniture and component. This is an objective, and you will use textbook and follow these videos to complete this project. Deliverables for this project that you will use textbook page 23 to 24, page 30 to 37, and page 48 to 49 to complete this project. So make sure you have the book with you when you work with when you're working on this project, because I will talk about on which page you need to follow the steps. And the project checklist is walls, doors, or windows. I will check that you have drawn correct walls, you have added doors and windows at the correct location, and the sizes of doors and windows are the mentioned in your drawing. Okay, the furniture, you need to download the furniture families from Imperial Library and Herman Miller, two Herman Miller furniture that I have already downloaded and provided the link on your Canvas site. And that's why I want to make sure that whenever we are working on your project, your Imperial Library is already downloaded on your personal computer. Title block and a Revit sheet. If you have not downloaded the title block yet on your personal computer, make sure you go on week 1 module and download the title block from there and keep it ready on your personal computer. Okay, you need to update the owner project name that I will talk about once we start working on the Revit. The sheet number is A1. The sheet name is first floor plan. Scale is quarter inches. You need to remember what is the scale. You need to add north arrow and graphic scale that I will show you how to do that. And you need to submit Revit file and PDF file to get the complete points. Okay, so make sure you submit both the files, and it will be standard naming convention, your last name, floor plan creation project, FCS 216. And you will submit by, I think you will have 1 week to work on. So on next Monday, before next Monday, you have to submit your project.